check out this 2004 Chevrolet 2500. This is a one owner truck, 51,000 actual miles. Now, color it's in is actually kind of a really dark gray, or a GM. This is a spiral gray. You can see it has a little bit of a metal flake to it. Very, very nice color. And the previous owner of this truck took care of this thing very well. You can tell just in the paint itself and in the corners here. This is a rust-free truck, guys. Rust-free. Clean, solid, straight. I mean, everything you could ask for. Equipped with power steering, power brakes, AC, of course. Blows cold. Tested it earlier. We got gray cloth interior, buckets up front, center console, automatic on the shifter, or on the column I should say. Stock stereo, stereo does work, wipers work, all that good stuff. And as you will note in the pictures, I have the windows rolled up. They are smoked, so make sure you check with your local laws regarding that. Powered by the 6.0 liter V8, again paired with that automatic transmission. Now if you want to see any more pictures of this, the undersides, engine bay, or the bed, make sure you check them out at uniqueclassiccars.com, or you can always give us a call at 507-386-1726. Now along with this car, it will actually come with some brochure, manuals, as well as the original window sticker. And again, that'll be in the pictures as well. I can't tell you enough, it's a very clean truck. As you can see, you got the soft tonneau cover roll-up style here. Bed rails on the side as well. Now in the pictures, I'll roll this up so you guys can see a little bit better. I'll just give you a quick look here, but so again, you'll see better pictures of it on our website, and again, that is uniqueclassiccars.com. Just moving cars around today, folks. Now, the previous owner of this truck, like I said, really took care of this thing, and you're about to see on the inside that is the case. That is the case. So we'll see what it also has, and obviously in 04 you're going to have power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Got power driver's seat as well. Now, 51,000 miles and an 04, and these cloth buckets are in great shape. Just the rest of the interior, you can just tell that, I mean, the dash, nice shape, just as everything else is. Check out the headliner too while we're at it. Very clean and tidy. All right, I'm gonna hop in this truck, start it up, and I'll open up the hood.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, we're in the truck now. Let's start her up. All right, and that's just a seatbelt indicator blinking or on. I don't have my seatbelt on. I'm just sitting here. Gauges are working correctly. Again, the odometer, 51,000 actual miles on this thing, guys. Stereo's working as it should. AC blows cold. Wipers work as well. Give you one sweep there. All right, let's go check out the engine bay. All right. Now remember, 6-liter V8 under this hood. It's paired with that automatic transmission. It is just purring. Sounds absolutely great. All right. Now I did forget to show you guys the back seat, so let's do that quick. It does have the LS package, as you can see there. Back seat just as clean, if not cleaner, than the front. Great cloth, just very nice shape. I did get the bed, or excuse me, the tonneau cover rolled up for you guys, so you can actually take a look at the bed. Still painted to match. Shows very well for the mileage and the age on this thing. Not having a liner in it, that is a nice shape. All right, so to conclude, 2004 Chevrolet 2500, finish in spiral gray, one owner truck. Now again, if you would like to see the pictures of this truck, you can go to our website at uniqueclassiccars.com, or if you want to give us a call, you can reach us at 507-386-1726, and we'll be sure to answer any questions you may have.